In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see envelope activity history in DocuSign. This is a crucial feature that can help you manage and track your digital documents effectively. Whether you're overseeing a large number of agreements or simply want to keep tabs on a specific transaction, knowing how to access this history will offer you better insights into how your documents are being handled. First, you'll want to navigate to the Agreements tab within your DocuSign account. This area is essentially your hub for managing all your envelopes. Think of it as your digital filing cabinet. Once you're in the Agreements tab, you'll see a list of all the envelopes you have. Take a moment to identify the specific envelope whose activity history you'd like to examine. This could be any current agreement or a past one, depending on what you're interested in reviewing. When you've found the envelope, direct your attention to the right side, where you'll notice a small icon consisting of 3 dots. It's typically known as the More Options menu, an essential tool when you are working within DocuSign. Go ahead and click on this icon. This action will open up a menu with additional options pertaining to that specific envelope. From the menu, you'll need to select the option labeled History. This will immediately redirect you to the envelope's history page. It's here that you'll get a comprehensive view of all the activities associated with that document. You'll find crucial details neatly presented for each action that has taken place. This includes the exact time an action occurred, who the user was that performed it, what specific action was taken, the type of activity logged, and finally, the status of each of those actions. This functionality is incredibly powerful for auditing purposes or simply for gaining deeper understanding of a document's journey through its life cycle. Additionally, DocuSign offers you the convenience of either printing or downloading a certificate of the activity right from this page. You'll find this option located at the bottom right corner of the activity history page. This certificate can serve as a formal record of all the actions that have taken place, ensuring you have a tangible document to refer to if necessary. And just like that, you now know how to access and make the most of the envelope activity history feature in DocuSign. It's a straightforward process that significantly enhances your ability to manage and monitor your digital documents. As you continue using DocuSign, you'll find that having this knowledge not only streamlines your workflow, but also adds an extra layer of accountability and transparency to your document handling. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.